In this very short tutorial, I will show you how to group tasks by category and how to count how many tasks there is for each category and put them into a chart like this one. So a starting point is a task list where you have some category allocated for each task. So you need to create another table like this where you have a category and number of tasks. So you can either copy the categories manually or you can use the unique function from Excel, and then you select all the categories to the bottom, and then you close the parentheses like this, and you press enter. And so this is a dynamic list. If you have more lists, then it will show you more rows here, obviously. So this is one way to do it. Then you need to calculate the number of tasks. So here we'll be using the COUNTIF function. COUNTIF, you select the range of categories, not of tasks, of categories. And you make sure that there are, you press F4, so you have dollars all over the place because this is going to be fixed. And then you select in the second parameter of COUNTIF, you select the category which is on the left here. And here you don't need any dollar values here, you just leave the cell as it is because we'll be copying that formula down. Here I'm just closing the parentheses and I'm just pressing enter, and that has calculated the number of tasks. And now you can copy this and paste it for the remainder of the cells. That will work. Here I'm just going to paste only the formula because I don't want to mess up my table. So this will have done automatically calculated based on the category that is on the left hand side because we haven't put any dollars around the G7 here or on the category here. The next thing that we need to do is to create a chart. So we'll be selecting only the category and the number of tasks. I will be doing insert, and I will be selecting a pie chart here. And here it is. Now, before we go any further, I just wanted to highlight that I'm using a different color scheme. I'm going under page layout colors, and I'm using the paper one. That is obviously if you want to reproduce exactly my chart. So here I will be removing the legend. I will be right-clicking on the pie, and I will be adding labels. I will be clicking on the labels, right-click, and then I will be formatting the data labels. And here I will be clicking on the category name. So you should have both here. And while I'm here, actually, I'm just going to put outside and. So this will be showing outside. So once you have all this selected, you go to home and you want to have a deeper background so it stands out a bit. Maybe this one will be enough, and then we'll put a white font here. You can put all that in bold if you like. I will be removing the chart title. So now if you don't like this color scheme, what you can do is you can go under chart design and you select a different color scheme. I'm trying to get to selecting the palette 4 here because it has more or less the same feel, a bit of red and a bit of blue in each one of those. So that gives a nice consistency. Now I would like to have this a little bit, the font a little bit bigger. And then I want to put a different background. Before I do this, I just remove the shape outline. And I'm just selecting a background that I think would fit in well here like this. And then the final thing that I want to do is you click on the pie chart here. You can see that you can put it a bit smaller inside. So this way you can have a bit of a play here. So this is it for a very simple pie chart based on task categories. You can obviously do some more complicated task lists, and I have some links in the description, or if you want to have a look at on my channel, there's obviously I'm building from scratch some more complex task lists. So this is just to show you a snippet of information if you like.